Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your essentials: the physical bank card, the phone number tied to your bank account, and your ID. Open the Alipay app and tap Me, then Wallet. This puts you exactly where card management lives. Once done, make sure the app is updated and you are fully logged in, because incomplete login blocks verification. If you haven't completed real name verification, follow the prompts now. This step is why binding a bank card succeeds. Tap Add Card and choose debit or credit. This determines what verification method you'll see. You can scan the card to reduce typing, or manually type the number, name, expiry, and CVN if needed. Next, confirm the issuing bank shown by Alipay and input the phone number that your bank has on file. Make sure digits match exactly, because the verification SMS or small test charge uses that phone number to authenticate the link. You'll receive an SMS code or see a tiny verification charge. Enter the code or confirm the amount to finalize binding. Once verified, give the card a clear nickname and toggle quick pay or transaction limits if you want faster checkouts. If verification fails, pause and confirm your bank's registered phone number and ID info, then retry. Many banks block repeated attempts, so wait 24 hours or contact the bank if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.